Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you get injured or start feeling pain during your training, we're gonna let you adjust your plan so you can recover properly without losing all your progress. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to adjust your Runna plan after injury in 2026 safely, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, open the Runna app, log into your account, go to your active training plan, so make sure you're viewing the correct plan. Okay, so tap your training plan, look for setting or plan settings, and tap to open it. This is where you modify your schedule and your plan. So go to plan and basically tap manage. Okay, so inside plan settings, tap training preferences or tap weekly distance. Okay, then reduce your weekly, mileage, training intensity, number of sessions. Lower load helps your body recover. Okay, then change or skip workouts. Okay, for specific sessions, open the workout in your schedule. Tap the session, choose skip workouts, replace with easy run, move to another day, replace hard workouts with easy ones during recovery. Okay, so you can add extra rest days, go to training days or schedule. Okay, remove one or more run days, keep only light sessions. Rest is essential for healing. Okay, you can also rebuild the plan if injury is serious. Okay, so if needed, go to plan settings, choose edits plan or regenerates plan, updates current fitness level, available training days. Okay, so that's it guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.